Hey everyone, it's Diablo Killer 124 here, and today, in part 16 of the PHP tutorials, I think we're finally gonna get to writing some of the guild script, if you will. I don't know why I said if you will, I just want to sound, I don't know. So we're gonna write a new function. This one's gonna be public function, create guild. Just like that. And this function, as you can tell, will create a guild. It's pretty simple. The name says it all. And yeah, we're gonna create a new page too called reader.php. I know it sounds weird. So just create a new PHP file, save it. Don't save it in your include, just save it where you have your index.php, sorry, and name it reader.php, like redirect, except there's no erect, so it's reader, like redirect, yeah, R-E-D-I-R, yeah, you can see though, it's HD. Just save that, and we'll work on this later, but for now, if code equals 1, echo, you are going to be viewing a guild, and that's just so we know what the codes are. And we're gonna do else. Wait, yeah. After this, if right here, if code equals 1, and then instead of having this else, leave it still because we're still gonna need it. Just put else if code equal 2. And then opening and closing, and then, it just looks like you have an else still. And this will still show up if code doesn't equal 1 or 2. Echo, you are creating a guild. Perfect, now let's save it, open up the internet, and I'll probably have to resize it again. Oh, nope. Localhost slash php tuts slash index.php and act equals guild. And I'm going to add a header soon, which will... Ow! Oh, that hurt. Sorry. I hit a scratch and it hurt. So yeah. I'm going to add a header soon. It'll look a lot nicer than just welcome guest or welcome Andrew friend. But I just want to get this guild started. I think we can do the guild in like the way I've been doing it. I think on a different project, the Babel folks, like I said, I think we could get this done in probably 4 tutorials, 5 tutorials. If I could record like 15 minutes at a time, which would probably be long and boring, we could get it done even faster. But since I can't, we're gonna do act equals guild and code equals 1. You are going to be viewing a guild, code equals 2. You are creating a guild, code equals 3. Doesn't say anything because we took that out. So let's just set the code to equal 2 for now, because that's what we're going to be working on, creating a guild. Because we don't need to show a guild if there are no guilds, right? Okay, so we're going to do some checking here. First off, let's come to index.php and see what we have going on. Okay, I'm going to erase that again, and I'm just going to put this. Also, I'm just going to test something. I'm going to comment out this, and I'm just going to echo username. And I just want to do a test, and if it works, okay. And it didn't work, so... okay. I'll save it. So that's why we have it in every page. I was just thinking, maybe we don't need it, but we do. I was thinking about actually making new pages. Like register.php, login.php, guild.php, instead of putting it all in the index. Because that's probably going to annoy me sooner or later. No, it won't. Okay, yeah, I can do it like this. I'm sorry. Okay, if code equals 2, we are going to do a, well, we have to create a form, right? Actually, we have to do some checking first, like I said. So we're just going to open up a new query. Res equals MySQL query. Select all from, oh, before we even do this, we have to create some new tables. So just go to your PHP admin or whatever you use to look at your SQL and MySQL, whatever you're looking at. PHP tutorial. And then we have users and users extra. Oh, this looks so nice. My web host uses an older one, or a newer one maybe. But I like this one so much better because they're crappy and mine's awesome. This one will be called guilds. Number of fields, we're going to have a guild ID. Guild owner. Guild... Okay, that's 2 so far. Guild owner, guild ID, guild name. Okay, that's 3. Let's just add 3 for now. I know that's not a lot, and we're going to be adding way more later, but we're just going to add 3 for now. Okay, so this one will be ID. It'll be an integer. Auto increment, yes. And that's that. Next one will be guild name. This one's a varchar. Length will be 32 for me. And the next one will be guild owner. It's an int for integer. I'll leave everything the same. Guild owner will put in the user ID. And to get the user ID, we're going to make a function later, if I haven't already made it, called getUID or getUser, something like that. That's what it's called on Babel, folks, which pretty awesome, so I don't have to keep writing a lot of stuff to get the username and stuff. Okay, so we have those 3. So let's now come here and then we'll do select all from guilds where owner, wait, guild owner, oh yeah, also I'm going to start using these things, the things that when you hold shift it's a tilde. I don't know what these are called. I'm going to start using these things when after I use where and stuff, because on my web host I need to get used to it, because on my web host if I don't use those I get a whole bunch of errors, so I just need to get in the habit of that. Now let me check. I'm just going to do that, and I'm just going to check for functions to see if we already have something to get the user ID, user ID, because we need to check right here. Get UID. Okay, perfect. Okay, so we'll do get UID. Get UID. What's username? Perfect, just like that. Oops. Okay, just like that. And then if MySQL num rows doesn't equal 0, wait, MySQL num rows res doesn't equal 0, then we're gonna die. Wait, here's an even better way. I'm sorry. I really need to get used to making it easier. If, sorry, MySQL num rows res die, you already have a guild. I know that looks really bad, but we'll just test it for now. I'm just going to refresh it. It doesn't say anything. And yeah. So I'm going to stop it here. We're at 9 minutes and 30 seconds, 38 seconds. Oops. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll probably be uploading another tutorial soon because, well, I'll be doing one a day at least. And if I get bored or something, I'll do more. So comment, rate, subscribe. Got to go. Bye.